you're new here, I'm Ishita and I do a lot of videos about fashion, styling, budget shopping vlogs, budget must-haves and all of that. So if you are interested in that kind of stuff, do hit that subscribe button and check out my other videos on my channel homepage. Now today is a very exciting day because I have a date planned for later tonight and I thought why not get ready with you guys along with me while I answer some spicy dating questions that you guys sent in. I also want to give a shout out to Plum because they sent in the Matte in Heaven liquid lipstick PR package to me and they have some really good shades that I'm very excited to try out. I already have my favorite, but I'm going to show you all of them. I'll swatch them for you guys. They have a lot of varieties. They have nudes, reds, pinks, a purple as well. So it's a great shade range for all skin tones. I'm super excited to show that to you guys and also answer your questions. So I usually moisturize my face first, but I've already done that and I've applied a lot of moisturizer because my skin has been pretty dry lately. I'm gonna move on to the primer very quickly and also the first question, which is what are the major red flags for you in a relationship? And I'll be very honest, I am blind to red flags. मुझे दिखाई नहीं देते हैं. Honestly, not the best person to tell you about red flags because I am blind AF to them. Now that I'm done with the primer, I'm going to quickly move on to my foundation and also the next question, which is how many relationships have you been in? And situationships are the only ships that I've been on, to be honest, unfortunately. Next question is 3 qualities you want your partner to have, and number 1 will definitely be loyalty. That is a priority for me. I think you should just be a very caring and a kind person. You should be a giver because I am an absolute giver. You should not just be like taking, I don't mean literally, but you know, like metaphorically. And third quality would be you should be funny and you should like to have fun. I'm quickly gonna finish my foundation because I usually take the maximum amount of time to blend in my foundation. So I'm gonna finish that quickly and probably fast forward this bit for you guys. Next question is, ever had a crush on your friend's ex? Yes, I have. Have you ever been cheated on? Yes, I have. Next question is, do you ever regret dating someone? I feel like I don't really regret anything in life. Everything is really a learning, to be honest. I say to be honest so much. I'm gonna finish putting the eyeliner and it's difficult to put it when I'm not focusing, so I'll put this and be right back. So I quickly did my eyeliner and my mascara and keeping the makeup very simple, my everyday makeup, just trying to avoid too much makeup at this point since my skin has been breaking out really badly. Quickly moving on to the next question. Actually, you know, before I do that, I'm going to quickly swatch all the lipsticks for you guys and pick out my favorite one and wear that quickly. These are highly pigmented and nourishing with a little bit of vitamin E as well in them. They don't feel too drying on your lips at all. They're actually very moisturizing and nourishing when you apply them. They obviously mattify later. They're supposed to be transfer proof and very long lasting, so I am going to be putting them to the test. But before that, I'm going to swatch all of these for you guys on my hand. My favorite color out of these is the pink martini, which is number 124, and I really like the color and that's what I'm going to be wearing tonight. I love how mattifying they are and they don't feel drying at all, and because it's Plum, they always make skin friendly products, so it's got to be skin loving. First test that I'm doing is the water glass transfer test. I'm going to quickly have a sip of water. And it did not transfer at all. Next one I'm going to do is put on a mask and just see if it smudges my lipstick or if the lipstick comes onto the mask. I am gonna quickly take this off now, but I don't feel that it smudged my lipstick at all, and it's not come onto the mask at all as well. And I'm also gonna just kiss the back of my hand and see if it's kiss proof and transfer proof, and it's not come at all. I think it's passed all the tests with flying colors. You can also use my code that's gonna pop up on the screen right now in case you want to try these out. I love how super lightweight they are. Doesn't feel like you have anything on your lips. I'm gonna leave all the links and the details in the description box for you guys. Now let's move on to the next question and the blush as well. Physical attributes that attract you. I think height and like a toned body would definitely be 2 of these physical attributes that attract me. Otherwise, I'm not like too picky about these things. I'm lying. Next question is your crush at the moment. I don't have a crush at the moment. Like, I mean, I have a lot of celebrity crushes, or do I? The Brooklyn Nine-Nine 9199 guy, I'm forgetting his name. Clearly, I don't even remember the name of my crush. Oh. But he was for a very long time. Oh, I think Ibrahim, Saif Ali Khan's son, is very cute. I think him is someone I'm crushing on. How old were you when you had your first kiss? I think I was probably like 18, I guess. Yeah, 18. One horrible date experience that you've had. I don't think I've had any horrible date experiences. All of them have been decent. Can't think of anything that's on top of my head. I think there was this one date where the guy seemed very show-offy. I don't like that. So I think probably that. But otherwise, I haven't had like horrible experiences or anything like that. I quickly curl my hair. I didn't want very tight curls, very loose just from the end, and they are going to open up throughout the day, so I'm not going to open them right now. But I was kind of bored of my straight hair, so a little bit of volume, some bouncy curls always helps mix it up a little bit. So the last question I think is, would you ever give a chance to a guy who cheats on you? I think absolutely won't. Like I said, loyalty is a #1 like quality thing for me in a guy. So I think those were all the questions, and I'm going to quickly show you guys my complete outfit. The top that I'm wearing is from Zara, and the jeans are also from Zara. I've kept it pretty low-key and casual, just pairing these with another transparent pair of heels, which are also from Zara. The earrings that I'm wearing are from H&M, I think. I don't know, but you have probably seen me wear them a lot in my videos. And I'm wearing my Daniel Wellington watch as usual. So this wraps up the video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching it. I loved answering those questions and getting ready with you guys. I'm going to leave the link to the Plum lipsticks in the description box for you guys, along with the discount code. If you like trying out new lipsticks, you should definitely try this one out. My favorite, like I said, was Pink Martini. Gonna sign off now before I get late for my date, and I will see you guys in my next video.